If you've been injured in an accident and you were driving for work, you may have 2 or 3 sources of recovery. These include 1, the workers' comp policy that covers you while you're driving. Just because someone else injured you and it was their negligence doesn't mean that you can't put in a workers' compensation claim, and that's often your fastest way to get your bills covered, to get costs covered for time that you're out of work, and to make sure that you're not falling behind your bills. The workers' comp claim will also cover some of your medical bills in the immediate aftermath of the injury. 2, you have the right to recover against the third-party tortfeasor. That's the fancy legal way of talking about the person who rear-ended you or T-boned you at the light, the person whose fault the accident was. You have a right to recover against their insurance policy, and that's independent of your rights under the workers' comp policy. It's important that you get a copy of the accident report and that you begin pursuing that. You have 2 years from the date of your accident to pursue that claim, and that's a right that you have to get compensation for things like pain and suffering that your workers' comp policy will not cover. Third and finally, in some cases, you also have a right to recover against your own insurance policy if that third party's insurance is not enough. So the person who rear-ends you at the light, if they don't have enough insurance to cover you for pain and suffering and the other things, you may have a right to pursue your own private car insurance. This depends a little bit on what you were doing for work, and that's where it gets complicated. It's important that you talk to a personal injury attorney. If you have questions and you've been injured in an accident, call us at Cornerstone Law Firm. Our attorneys will be happy to talk to you about your options and to see if there's a way that you can pursue your case.